Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find an iPhone location by phone number. For example, if you want to check your iPhone location just by putting the phone number, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to privacy and security so that you can simply enable location services. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply look for security and privacy, and after that you have to find the location services and you have to turn on location services for Find My. So if it is turned off, then you have to turn on the location services. Now what you have to do, you have to simply grab the other iPhone and you have to simply search for iCloud.com on another iPhone, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply look for that. You have to provide your name and Apple ID, and you have to log in into it. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply look for iCloud.com. So here you have to simply make sure that you have provided your Apple ID, and after logging into your Apple iCloud, you can simply use these kind of app like Find My. So in Find My, you can simply provide the phone number which is used in the iPhone which is lost. So after providing the phone number, you can simply just track the location of that iPhone by simply putting the phone number. So you have to make sure that both of the iPhone, which means the phone you lost and the phone you are using, are both connected to Find My, and you can simply see the location just by simply putting the data in Find My on your iPhone browser or Safari. So this way you can simply check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.